Are you the best alkaline water pitcher to help improve your health? Check out our top 5 picks. These pitchers are all made with high-quality materials and construction, and they all produce alkaline water that can help to neutralize acid in your body and improve your overall health. So, let's get started. List number: pH Vitality Alkaline Water Filter Pitcher. Our pH Vitality Alkaline Water Pitcher is equipped with our patented alkaline water filter bag. The innovative 10+ filter materials blend filters out harmful materials such as lead and chlorine easily while letting vital minerals like calcium and magnesium through. Its sleek curved design makes it highly suitable for any occasion, be it a casual family dinner, a social family gathering, or even an outdoor pool party. The pH Vitality Alkaline Pitcher is a must-have for those who are looking for an exceptional filtered water experience. At the same time, it's easy to use and stored in a very compact upright jug design, making it super practical. The 10+ filters blend out harmful materials like lead and chlorine, while at the same time let you access vital minerals such as calcium and magnesium. Built in a sleek steel design, this pitcher is safe, reliable, and super easy to use and store. Dragon Alkaline Water Pitcher 3.5 liters. One of the most popular products, our Dragon Alkaline Water Pitcher is a great addition to any household. The slim pitcher easily fits in any refrigerator, and the lid lets you fill the reservoir without removing the cover. Easy pour spout ensures the perfect pour with no mess. The slim, lightweight pitcher easily fits in any refrigerator, and its ergonomic handle provides comfort during use. Drinking from this pitcher is as easy as pouring from a glass, thanks to the ergonomic easy pour spout that allows you to fill without removing the cover. Enjoy your favorite beverage with this premium food-grade alkaline pitcher that features an ergonomic handle and easy pour spout. This convenient pitcher lets you store and refresh water anywhere in the house. The slim pitcher easily fits in any refrigerator, and the lid lets you fill the reservoir without removing the cover. List number: pH Restore Alkaline Water Pitcher. Our Protecte Alkaline Water Pitcher has their exclusive pH 001 filter that offers multi-stage filtration. Its innovative filter beads easily filters out harmful materials such as lead and chlorine, while letting vital minerals like calcium and magnesium through. Made with premium quality BPA-free plastic, our pH Restore Alkaline Water Pitcher is equipped with our unique pH 01 filter that offers multi-stage filtration. Its pH 01 filter can purify up to 1,500 cups and 96 gallons and 360 liters of water throughout its lifetime, and ensuring long-lasting filter life and usability. Designed after the highest quality standards, our unique pH 01 filter allows you to make water that has a healthy alkaline balance of 3.5 pH and is perfect for your family's health. Our product is built with premium quality BPA-free plastic, equipped with a modern anti-slip design and manufactured in the US. Its easy grip handle makes it the ideal companion for every occasion. List number: Invigorated Water pH Replenish Glass Alkaline Water Pitcher. Our Rejuvenate Alkaline Water Pitcher filter is the perfect addition to your home, office, or backpack. This premium quality filter basket can filter up to 1,700 cups and 105 gallons and 400 liters of water throughout its lifetime, ensuring long-lasting filter life and usability. Be it for drinking, cooking, brewing coffee, or tea, our Vitality filter is surely an effective and affordable solution to keeping you and your family healthy. Made with premium borosilicate glass, our pH Replenish Alkaline Water Pitcher is equipped with our unique on-the-go filter pouch. This integrated textured grip makes drinking and pouring hassle-free, so you can always stay hydrated on the go. Being able to replace or clean your own filter on any time you feel like makes it a perfect solution for anyone who wants to drink more water while staying healthy. List 9. H-Skyen Alkaline Water Filter Pitcher. Our H-Skyen Alkaline Water Filter Pitcher is a great way to significantly lower your costs on bottled water. Our filter can purify 316-ounce plastic bottles of water. It is perfect for your busy family, especially when traveling. The ergonomic handle is easy to assemble and disassemble and fit in most refrigerator doors. It's easy to use and easy to clean up afterwards, with a large outer shell. The pitcher fits comfortably in your refrigerator and holds enough water for up to 10 people. Our 7-layer filter technology cleans the water of harmful metals, dirt, chlorine, and more, all while increasing pH value by 0.5 to 2 points for safe drinking water. This alkaline pitcher reduces the costs of buying bottled drinks, as you can use it for any type of beverage, from soft drinks to apple cider.